Nina Chia Pure 95.7. Yatrasi Agudi on some and Yade Bassett Diano. Yatrasi say Anes Agudi on some no Diofie and the Yaman on Nina Yabuano Ediaba. Naira studio here on the bass Jose Mourinho, Tottenham Hotspur for Asakino. To Jose Mourinho sacked. Na answer na Mourinho news never bano. Na news are Europa yes European Super League. I say clubs, yes elite clubs. Ajia tu zomo bebo. Na enobe running alongside the Champions League na condemnations are ebano. Enyasem kutwa the La Liga, the Serie A, the Premier League. In fact, leagues ni nyina kabom. Any FIFA ni UEFA nyina say wow be participate os ade ni bia no. Omo be you every all their competitions mu. It dey say enyasem kutwa British Prime Minister Abba Bonten abekasa condemning ade no. Na asavenga say bi ebi so oyan oka Ghana hag bananka otimi hye ntumafufuo epeda bi mutena amafo ba consultation okan say emebi baba ama sade we aba enenne sade no asie no ye ba be hwe eho ensem na obine Christian ni good friend no aboa de awuram ni ahwe na ebejo de ntia Jose Mourinho nso ne sakin Mourinho yase Julian Nagelsmann aye in line. Na coaches do not know Bobo Mudin, you be real Nusum Yahweh, Tottenham Hotspur. If I come back the EFL Cup final and Enchegra and I still Omzominisa Dajano, Omasake Jose Mourinho. It is something in our heart, Yade Eba. Now, your best year at ever Ghana Premier League matches echo so say hearts of folk any Santiago, the chase is on. Yababe Shay, Enra. Hearts ni Interlies boy Asante go Friday. Na enra game no be a penny ahwebie Mediema any Lagos cities no Justice Blay. Na and referee for almost kaka. After FA president a tour of the Brown Harbour region. I say Brekum Chelsea any dwarfs a boy no. According to dwarfs almost coach no 7 predators a bonus a clone 4. Adeya almost juju in some ti onyi juju no mra mo so mo ne nsasa re juju shem eti onyi juju no ento fom eno ene ese hwe pa na nyasem ketwa ena Accra Lions match no the famous Accra Lions match memo obi akwaba
chama wejo so
Coach Freddy ya wa akwaba bi
bi aboko
land abriche boko there
kakra
the chance Coach Freddy Obi Coach Freddy in another form enti Coach Freddy abefie ba be yi enti real is also forever in our hearts and Afrima enti Afrima
say nya Freddy abusia
enti nyina ba ko tie Coach Freddy achi Christian
chairman
na bogo there
nyamiadum
and the Coach Freddy ba is remember insight because also you who cry say Jose Mourinho no ne sakin no na good good friend is also Liverpool kakra fine is a very Liverpool form na depo but na you hear they say Mourinho kono e betimi ama Hurricane ne move to Real Madrid no abaso Jose Mourinho never stop us that deal no they say kono what does it mean to Hurricane future e ba be hwini nyina ene ensema eno so ho. In fact, Radio Voca, Heart of Oak fans ni busa, the entire onsia kai. Na Heart of Oak company for bechichimu. Say, obi the work permit no. Ese na
okay.
It's not some renew. It is still omugu some renew and inyanye ready.
How many ones?
Question. You guys all chairman who answer.
Obi a obo week every week be ojina park so.
Asemi no obi say.
No chairman who answer.
No to meet na bench no.
Otra bench.
So you out to bench.
And also say okay, bench no they want to me about now 1 minute grass. Anyway, it's about coaches name some of their to the league games across no and also your own sama yede eba ejumadi so Indian High Commissioner His Excellency the day Sugan Rajaran okado go jachi okosra Santiago ko say go come ko different level o e ba hwe na ne abonza na pamfo say de omuti di djuma no Asante go to announce 2 new sponsors this week. 2 new sponsors. na obi be me feel akaka because obi dey no feel korogon dey no feel pa even feel ankaza di obi eti ya show so me feel akaka obi o akaka ma yebeje club notice beba club notice but you also the beba na club notice beba eti ye hwe ni mu na ene so you know my birthday ene you know my birthday
wow
ai mi ama mi enoma that's if Chanel birthday na me na dum na no 69 years
wow
69 na ye train 70th mark ndi ayade oh to 69 no kwa no everything dey no be numbers day everywhere it's in our birthday you be there man na obi you be there man
oh why not hey 69 ozie di pa chawa ozie di
it's in our happy birthday to you na you be ba ho na reaction no said you be see akonyina na answer na you be share discussions nyina ase no you be so obi ade nani ehu ade we bi na ochre me di ohu live on Facebook na Accra Lions ne Accra City na okay Coach Freddy wa ya nyina be I me hebo TV no so eti live on 1HD TV live on ma enie starting for o dey starting for obobo na sim aha enie referee abo hisa obi ebuza de kro referee say penalty
boxing
penalty in the referee striker na so defender no matter adi mo ti striker no wachi ball no crowd see be foul wetia no who ya the referee na point was a penalty go what
striker no crowd no who agree ni
say striker no foul ball no no go challenge referee say no wachi foul wetia no goalkeeper dey say o the team no agala some dem say go muti goalkeeper go dey obutu o say odrin one tiase
amazing
so many na pushi obi o ntini could go either way
but when you only was on jerry
but so blow whistle no dia na also GBB
enti o GBB a wo di penalty tia
because the reason I don't know but the mama no I don't know I'm saying Tito was a referee and I'll tell you why who's the defender no he's not really there to defend what he's doing is as a pushy player not to try and get him off the ball. It in once you start taking on some no out so start to be pushy it becomes a penalty straight away.
But when so
player no used to striker no used to Linsano to try and block off the defender which is allowed. What I say? Linsano was struck a crowd but for me I think Semetil to a bit more towards the referee as a penalty.
Only referee had a penalty.
Quite be so
no way. Referee Abdul Karim Abdul Ganiu were goofy big time because football is a contact sport. Yes, it's in the penalty box, but Bibian Koso, Bibian knew I chose a ball way a penalty. Me who the referee?
I said Accra Lions want somebody are going to be dying in the crowd because I said this is the second time I just have penalty like this at home.
It's in my estimation a very ridiculous decision. And check the position of the referee. Baby a referee Nijina. So starting replay now. Referee no man ho baby I don't know what the referee saw. Referee na fe no run
referee no o head not to know penalty but
defender no so nsam you no and na ma se video ni betima pause no honum na but who say defender nsam you nyina na was
even so slow now who say attacker no cry here a bit of elbowing you know so there was a fair challenge into some person contact that cause of football media and they say ni say obi attack obi a na nyina ye koye nim
for me I think it was poor defending in a way. So so much no.
Interestingly enough, all of the referees in the country are surprised at this referee's decision.
I say you say oh send them my referee be bisana. On kasa Ghana. We say Bobby me say bisa say penalty. We say referee na give penalty way. Okay, you say I see Ghana say how this is a replay na. Let me different angle. As long as they be able to defend you go.
Yeah.
Because attack and the ball no or no Eko referee on you see at the foul etiano. And this is coming and you weak grammar.
Enra me share video na me kai South Africa versus Senegal. Sa Joe Lamti penalty no koji na FIFA forecast say a manufactured penalty. There was nowhere as a referee to make penalty.
Referee
now they having na 20 years ago na football among 4 years with only passing.
na man for passing keke no dey football. Na dey obi very passionate about no chairman. So why you say who sisi na? Say ni patron on fan chew. But 20 years ago I had this passion pen football no. And it has gone beyond just being a passion to be people's business. Chairman, nema mienua people will defend with their life. And number one, things that we are very passionate about and your business. When people invest so much into their businesses like this, football business amount for years so much investment in football. Apart from saying I more passion, you know, a very huge investment for people. No be sorry edi nisika eni na japade nyina invest into football. Now a referee comes onto the pitch and takes such a decision. Sometimes your two supporters full say they should not attack the referee. They make our job so difficult. How do you either now two supporters for say don't attack a referee like this?
Ordinarily, may you Sanka fans for stadium. It would have been bloody. And it looks like every president they told now, you know. You know, be a referees. Well, any coach I have if I allow the crime goes acquired on your TC and China, also first, you know, they were coach in a year. Nani Panama Naman Chain de Kuchi. So far, I don't know, Alaji Yebi or Premier League, or TC in China. I don't know, so your coach in Libby. Alaji Karim Guza in his elements. You have a shining in our but say, as it be the European Super League. I say the top, I'm saying the elite clubs. That Mamu Obi, not Arsenal account.
Yeah, of course, Arsenal.
Yes, crying Koma. Real Madrid president of Argentina by. Yes, for true president.
Yeah, say billionaires game now. Who these cars are grown.
Well, it's and Mausa England. Omu didn't go for my time. Say Russian and American billionaires no mabano. They don't care about the game and integrity. All they care about is their money. How they make money. And backlash are ever, even from the UK Parliament. Premier League released a statement. I must say, sir, European Super League, no, almost condemn it, and they are not in support of it. But I think the hardest of all the statements, I joint, yes, by UEFA, the English Football Association, the Premier League, the Royal Spanish Football Federation, La Liga, the Italian Football Federation, and Liga Serie A. Now, Usha yes, last paragraph. No? So we thank those clubs in other countries, especially the French and German clubs who have refused to sign up to this. We call on all lovers of football, supporters and politicians to join us in fighting against such a project if it were to be announced. This persistent self-interest of a few has been going on for far too long. Enough is enough. But I must say, but I'm some banning, you know. Okay, good. I'll say as previously announced by FIFA and the six federations, the clubs concerned will be banned from playing in any other competition at domestic, European, or world level, and their players could be denied the opportunity to represent their national teams.
Yeah.
Among some we are. Clubs involved near too powerful.
Absolutely.
Interest.
UEFA for take his stand when jointly signed by the various federations. He said, first of all, federations in the power to dismiss the clubs.
Yes.
In the case of Arsenal, Premier League in the pam UEFA phone to me pam Arsenal.
Yeah.
And UEFA for letter by on the 21st of January, signed by the acting CAF president and all of that. I think we also have that statement. In fact, the good old days of the 1980s as level Berlusconi no more handle AC Milan. There was a project that no mususu said UEFA any FIFA for no direct football, for example, Florentino Perez, Agnelli, Juan Laporta, some penyufo we no control be over UEFA. And in my estimation, the Super League is to governance ne sikasem no more handle. That's why they have the founding fathers or the founding clubs and 5 additional clubs on betun sa from no more and but this is strictly a billionaires game because JP Morgans and Chase almost this $6 billion aba, and we check even the total valuation of that company, this American company, including the Chemical Bank of the US. They are valued at $3.3 trillion. That's the total asset valuation of JP Morgans. Now JP Morgans as an institution, the revenue for last year in $119.54 billion. In terms of share, I have private investors, businessmen, and money Florentino Perez, Agnelli, and name penny for look. They say, look, send ya COVID-19 is ya hate mono. Mummy bibi because mona mudi TV rights neba, mudi TV rights neba. No money Dynamo Kiev ne Bucharest, no money Bet Beresov, no money machiskano. Adena mwake se for nankasano. No necessarily some more timo, but anka munya weekend be ana debi na mudi shia na ma bomo bo na ma tunya komanim. Now what they've done in Ra from Enra Arsenal no more declare said they are part of the Super League. They say a free fiade kemu yo and UEFA for the almost reset Champions League no, and they've agreed in principle. Into the UEFA for boy say nechi ya any more shia Agnelli wo obia wo mukofia makosamadwin na masa to south and mamure fi say one lap was Bartomeu resigned. Okay, in his speech no. So Barcelona has already signed up to the European Super League and so it is financially the best option at this material moment. But what I want to say is the breakaway ni nyina no jina say omo pese omo ma UEFA for pressure say look UEFA Champions League ni say CSN yesi jiran and in juade ya hwe num say UEFA for the new UEFA Champions League processes in baba in time so
says I'm say breaking news. UEFA approved the suggested Champions League reform, which will take place starting from 2024. I'm say new format 36 instead of 32 teams, and 36 no I'm making provision for 4 4 no say new spots for the early clubs that fails to qualify. It is Arsenal say I did 10 fee. Kai did 10 na. A chance to play
based on your historic coefficient. In the case of Arsenal, Aston Villa across were winning Champions League pay. Nottingham Forest
Arsenal when your coefficient are trying to based on points and perform appearances.
I perfectly agree with you and biom sir, what you are making an effort to even qualify for the Europa League. You say, best Europa League to the Europa League conference. Into changes no. Into Arsenal, but many as a historic spot no to media room. Now, in terms of the 36 games or 36 teams, it means games number rising from 125 to 225. The bigger the games or the more games, more money. Basically for some of these types. And yet to say group stages of 8. Now will be friend the Swiss model. Swiss model no idea. For example, Real Madrid bet you your team beat say maybe Shakhtar Donetsk. No nya mid-table team beat say maybe a Borussia Dortmund. No I saying your team beat say Paris Saint-Germain or Chelsea. No necessarily kind. Into benya the highest, ubenya medium and you get the lowest in terms of club rankings. Now no measure. In from 2024, chairman ye group stage biom obiane team bia benya kwenya about 10 different teams as far as the Champions League, 10 different teams as far as the Champions League are concerned. In the top 8 no more qualify automatically. Now from the 9th to the 24th position, more ball over 2 legs. Now in terms of the top more boss are 10 different opposition, no home, no away. And the other problems thing now, Bani said initially Florentino Perez was suggesting say, most new Champions League format we know, even during the weekend. And I'm saying no. So because you more during weekend, now who could Premier League the other leagues. But that's where they feel say look, say more TV right. And I think yes, you can make a point say it's like the powerful guys. In their greed or their selfish best, into the Champions League, you be Benada, Ukuada, any award. in a Champions League about Bobono. To me acquire him. Now in terms of medical, I said no group, no home and away, and all of that. Now the fixtures after the round of 32, no, and I knockout phase the normal UEFA Champions League home and away games. But from the qualifiers through to winning in ano, say na ebe to me aye. Now the top 8 number automatically qualify, no, into the round of 60, no. Mona next season automatically mbesabo. Until we na Real Madrid, Chelsea, Arsenal, Spurs, PSG top 8 next season. So tosu dukrana obesabe si jina Champions League ni mu ebium. Na ya sama 2 additional slots. Yes, the historic coefficient and one Kaiser. I have 4 for Germany, 4 for Spain, 4 for England. But coefficient they say France for the tosu num. Into one of the extra 4 no. Ebesama se see a nipo tosunum nebeman additionals because France had just 3 slots as far as our new Champions League were concerned. It's a bit controversial, but I think said the Super League se see ano o check it.
They want to go to court to fight UEFA and the leagues.
Yes. It's possible, you know, because these guys are the below running football. Now the argument they make, they say, look. Spanish Premier League anymore in the last 14 Real Madrid in the last 15 Real Madrid 14 Bayern to us why Jim said 9 on a roll. PSG for also no I think 9 they've taken 7. I think Premier League no the last 20 years you have 5 champions out of the Premier League, but then even in the French Ligue 1 so Paris Saint-Germain winning French Ligue 1 now team or core relegation Sheffield United Obenye start changing the winner of the French Ligue 1. So the leagues too predictable. Bayern Beji, PSG Beji, and Real Madrid Barca. Uko England, Liverpool, Man City. Intiade na ya kase for na de bia no he. Ade na ya mom yenhia. Na ya ngisi kane kese no because appearance fee 310 million pounds. 310 million pounds to me to kasu bebre. Am out to me ko wanim. So I think it's more of acquire game of acquire to span. UEFA for the omudi atoɔ. And then say yeah powerful was continue. Yeah sheda any Arsenal. Let's gather. You Super League. Yeah bibi na sika sam no. UEFA for say yeah kese for no. Yeah to many bet berries of moon chase canipe. Mama is canipe. I think some to many or more agree on the financial terms. But our Super League
well very interesting because clearly UEFA wants to play hardball. How many leagues, you know, and the kind of support they are getting from fans, from politicians, from the leagues, because they say, oh, La Liga, Premier League, Serie A, now, support it. But the French leagues, the other teams, you know, and the German teams say they are not interested. Yes, UEFA say they're even going to consider. Say, bani teams from their domain. Just say, Real Madrid say ebe ina free Spanish La Liga, Barcelona ebe ina free Spanish La Liga. Mobi. Now players so you national team.
National team no cry there any problem. Boys ni bebre no it's not about the money, it's about the pride.
Until they will deny you that pride.
Oh, that pride cry
you represent your country.
In two ways. Odi original mraso Barca Atletico Madrid Real Madrid La Liga who suffers?
The league will suffer.
The league will suffer.
But ultimately, those who are expelled will also suffer. Because you are paying Lionel Messi how much? Over 100 million in a year. 100 million. If you should get out of that competition, now but just the Super League, you will make as much money to pay him.
Chairman, Real Madrid against Paris Saint-Germain on a Saturday in Miami or in Beijing.
Say Paris Saint-Germain obi a ombobi.
Debi obebo. Say Super League no munya bebo.
They say French League.
French people mu there.
Mathieu say French.
Chairman ombeba.
Only Germans is ombo.
Ombeba.
Obi hypocrisy. Say so munya mai.
Obi abeba.
But by the effect
Obi abeba.
At present, your teams now are coming together. Said they are coming to form the UEFA Super League. And see, sir, if they will not be powerful more than even the UEFA. And now you can say, Oko Arsenal, Oko Premier League, the top 6 teams, you know, Arsenal, Chelsea, Liverpool, Man City, Manchester United, and Tottenham Hotspur. Now you go to Spain now, and the 3 biggest clubs in Spain, and about Germany's club we. Spain, Atletico Madrid, Barca, and Real Madrid. You go to Italy, a straight class from Italy, AC Milan, Inter Milan and Juventus. Now the question we're asking ourselves is, okay, UEFA for Jinam Raso and sack all these teams from their respective leagues. I'm sure, sir, Football League or Italy. Now there is no AC Milan, there is no Juventus, there is no Inter Milan. The league is basically dead. Now you go to Spain, you are playing a league. Can you imagine a Spanish league without Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, and then Barcelona? What will be the state of the league?
Barca will share
now,
one
side. Come to the Premier League.
Yeah, the other side.
Come to the Premier League. Now say, oh, the original, also Premier League in there. Premier League laws. I think say law 9 of the Premier League laws. No, almost stating the clear. Unyabaya Premier League status now. You sign. Say Namraneka. Or say all 20 clubs sign up to this law. Clubs must obtain prior rating appointment, approvement of the board if they wish to enter to different competition other than the Champions League, Europa League, FA Cup, Community Shield, and Carabao Cup. It's Premier League there. So competition be outside this club there. I was a Premier League board no. I just approve a master and say to me say competition no.
The sex in your waka.
The sex in na waka. What you want for league no. Now imagine the Premier League without these 6 clubs.
Okay. What we?
I never come so I say when say here pa ni say obi di kaka. Now sir clubs na ko say Europa Super League no. Financially do not suffer. Because just by say we get so kwakobo no. O get 310 million pounds. So what you to say kwakobo keke. They are giving you 310 million pounds. Baby, I make you to calculate say UEFA for nya brain say the gap between the rich and the smaller club no will widen.
Yeah. So my question is then Leicester City ne Aston Villa ne West Ham no omo concentrate omo league no na sabio omo ni scan omo anfan we omo na Leicester for NG league ni bi Aston Villa NG bi Sheffield NG league ni bi na Real Madrid no so no pre omo de na se Bayern be yi ni ho afiri mu a Hoffenheim no na mo Gladbach no so we get a difference between the rich and the poor.
So you say remember confederate the other side and say the might, how big these clubs are. But we should also accept that these clubs, they need the smaller clubs to be big. Let's consider that. You need the smaller clubs to make you big. Now, leagues, for instance, Germany almost was German clubs is almost French clubs also
Ombeba.
So say the channel say stands now UEFA ateki leagues in ateki. Sebania kasi ye 6 clubs na free. For instance Premier League ma. They are the biggest, no doubt. But omu free ma, it will affect the league.
Yes.
No doubt. But they will be more affected than the league. Those clubs, maybe. Those clubs no when scanner omu nyano say your money 300. Fine, 300. Imagine 300 nebe card the onya dada ho it would have been more money. But now the onya nyina maybe
then biom na onya say
oh the TV rights you get from the
no they'll get more TV rights.
Oh as far make onya ntase ubenya more more but the na onya first onya biem
but ubenya kese wa
exactly. And now when you stand to lose let's say now you are expelled from your federation.
Yeah.
Only federation. Yeah. Now FIFA UEFA decides that they are banned all. Only the number of players who will be affected by no playing for their national team.
And
yes,
can you imagine a World Cup? Some players may see a kind of the bigger class on MOB. The effect on the World Cup
it will have no effect. Mami Chawadi. And say any lose. If you are playing another World Cup somewhere, that is when it affects the World Cup. The point is that you are not even a recognized footballer no more.
No, the quality of the World Cup no be conform.
That's the point.
I agree with Christian.
I know you play
right. So in regards to the Ecosun Junano, the only people who bet me Sadi Wemma so he plays no.
Yes.
Some way the club themselves say but the league way by more. We see the league way by more because at the end it affecting the contract. Because what signed to play in the leagues in almost various countries no and almost caps. So now all the Kofa Cup full be bar on also bet me opt out. It for me, the players no will be the main people for this. So
the stance taken by UEFA say any leagues no federations no. They say English FA say Arsenal decided so say Chelsea decided so they are no more a member of the federation. It is just a unka English Football Association who you are not recognized as a football club. You cannot play in any of those competitions.
These are lesser games. Because League Cups no movie. Start 20 Premier League no movie. Lesser games.
But lesser games, you know, so you also lose some money because the Premier League, they make a lot of money from the Premier League.
And stadiums.
Any stadium, exactly.
Adverts in the stadium.
Adverts in the stadium. Yeah. And now teams, you know,
stadium does not belong to the Premier League. Bernabeu.
No, what I'm saying is that
to the clubs, but what he's saying is
Saudi Premier League, the more games are open, and the more money.
No, chairman.
So now, 7-15.
Bartomeu, or make the argument say, Barca loses 1-0 to Getafe. Barcelona loses 8-2 to Bayern. Which of the two losses will you appreciate? Games ni me.
So of course, Bayern then
the only disadvantage of the Super League is that na
says Arsenal about 40 games in a season. That's about 20 games with Homer. Now, no, possibly no be about 6 games per home. It's regardless of how much money fans will be deprived from certain matches, and as a match is beer and commit me afford the crack a beer match is going on to me afford it today. So means what must it's players never out because listen, me be as as a Messi ba, na Messi kasa me more. Ronaldo se me more, we se me more, or more can be pull out for me.
But I think say generally we are see a fan and then I was say Ghana house you my opinion for us to say various, you know, changes a course of football nim. Nipa bebre na nka say pushy. For example, say the FIFA Club Cup about once in 4 years. About replacing the Confederations Cup. Oma increasing number no. So now Ghana bet Africa benya 3 reps in the Confederations. Sorry, in the new FIFA Cup. So for example, Kotoko, Raja Casablanca, El Ali going to represent Africa. No mabo. And I think this year 2021 now was a Koso or China COVID-19 so FIFA UEFA obia gain positive change then a bebuama grown to me according him. And I think the FA, the Ghana Football Association, should also be thinking along those lines. Why will Real Madrid and Juventus and all of these big clubs all of a sudden more brother they still no more prisika kesie? Kotokoni has a folk. They should look sharp.
Well, the
best change Ghana football would be to fix our pitches. That's the first thing because it's about football. So pitches regardless of how much money you have, fans in inside my head. And most of the time, so I go for sponsorships for 4 years. After 1 year, they start to pull out because games in your FBM. It's the first thing for me. Any change will meet me. I am my idea and can fix your pitches.
That's how come on say we shouldn't be thinking VAR. We should be thinking good pitches now.
Yes, 100%.
As on a VAR, no, yeah. Well,
and no more players Super League they must because the Real Madrid enya 310 million pounds now. Obeto to mo amose mo manu Leicester City for obeto to players
transfer Leicester City players in bedu baby because they will if say a banner UEFA no carry out that threat say you will not be recognized as a footballer you will not be a Sunday special player.
There's no stats for you. There's
nothing for you.
I think that what they're trying to do
this is so easy for the super guys to
get around with, to be honest. But the clubs try say raising more money from UEFA. I think they're trying to put pressure on UEFA to try and create more money. They know it's an embassy, but some create as much as possible for top clubs in the front.
And yet just by a creation of more money. You say unto whom much is given, much is expected. Clubs also big now because of amount for best sponsor. Give them that recognition and give them more money. Why do we share TV right equally? I didn't try.
There is how the money said.
Now you're going to see that TV right Kotokoni has no much any pay. When it is Kotokoni has in Tina, the TV station is coming to sponsor the league in the first place.
We are looking at it as much as they are big. Your clubs who are not big, but in some context you can consider them big because they also have the following. Almost Ghana Kotokoni has any others. When eventually Syria Juventus had to go to relegation, they went to relegation. In Ghana, it won't happen because you would think that league Juventus relegation. Me say
buy no more Juventus never to do Ronaldo.
But say the boss here. River Plate, one relegation. So understand that as much as they need the leagues need them, they also need the leagues. And you exist because you're a football club.
That is why
if you lose that status, a lot of corporate institutions will not even deal with you again.
TP, JP Morgan, and Chase
because they know that.
And it's not just that institution, a lot of private businesses. Chairman, this is a big threat to FIFA.
Oh, of course, they make a
big threat.
Say the entire JP Morgan's no one chase that. The clubs are corporate institutions now, recognized football clubs who are aligned to associations, federations.
Yes.
When it happens that you now you don't belong to any association, you don't belong to any federation, UEFA doesn't recognize you as a club, you will lose something.
To splinter group, all of a sudden a splinter associations they say the only problem is that there's no relegation, no promotion. In that tip, may Arsenal say Arsenal only Arsenal. Now you invited, but you see the other angle say they can invite, for example, Kotoko. Because 5 slots now can invitational. This year, next year, no before
because FIFA beka chance you were free. Kodokon so needs eti bedu baby for me tell no munyo bi ni agro sana make enu tina many coach ya say omu nim pa deep down say enye yi but on be say omu yi ade bi enu be hum Ghana JP Morgan line no ne yi ni na no people who pull certain strings omu bo go for no ka chere nya say we yi be ye yi never nya yi
Florentino Perez ni Agnelli no mu na deal
but no mu na basket
but
omu na Oscar
maybe I'm say better is still say as a 15 elite class on there omu constant feature every year bia na maybe I'm obi omu chief invite Kotoko ne say the 5 other teams they be invite you will be based on the 20 strong leagues in the world until the league no fall within the strongest 20 strong leagues in the world. You're not going to get invitation to play.
It's possible Ghana can get there.
Yes, league among the top 20 leagues. Why not? So it will take a lot of time.
No, even with this whole Super League, yeah, 10 years. Possible, 10, 15, 20 years because the process is not chassis way back in the 90s. Maybe my biggest worry is the gap between the bigger clubs and the smaller clubs. Can you imagine? Say we have allowed these elite clubs. Say omunkobo omu leagues we get this amount of money. Now the entire Omonia Brone say it will give them perfect choice. Me, I go beyond the UEFA financial fair play.
Yeah.
Because they'll get more money, spend the money they are getting through football. Once they have more money, it doesn't matter the price of the player. They'll come and pick the player. So the gap between these big clubs, and the smaller clubs, will continue to widen. The grassroots football eventually will suffer. I'm gonna be brave.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I am sure. So now UEFA for the omonyo money bar na ya hwesenya ebesi akobati. A fascinating insights na this time no buy a football. I'm just hoping say the Ghana Football Association so they also yebiana in terms of proper reforms. Okay. Over England. Big picture. Some of the big picture projects we buy. See a Premier League number 18 clubs. So lots of reforms in the game.
Yeah, but also, reform has nothing to do with our policies. I always say, sir, Ghana, I didn't need a pioneer trotro.
And a brofozo.
We need to be more proactive. And football is not all about see about trotro too much. Now, I ever started technical director and I said, "Mekan Simbi." There was here in term kakra.
Oh, definitely. By Friday.
So by 1 year. Right. Okay.
Well, the sacking of Jose Mourinho, and this is how some of the news outlets are captured live on Facebook. The sacking of Jose. You say he's making some 30 million, but it's about his sacking. It's not about how much he's making. Definitely, coach. There's a one day sacking there will be Cheska. Breaking news: Tottenham sacked Jose Mourinho just before he was due to take morning training ahead of Sunday's Carabao Cup final. With RB Leipzig's Julian Nagelsmann, the favorite to take over. Nagelsmann, it's a Bayern and Yadia. Bayern enya. Say Bayern e pay. Say obeteki over
so only termination clause. Until no original Leipzig for so. Tom betumi abobo bi ama. It's ama ono de or buying or buying property. But me assure say Daniel Levy share Chelsea and Man City no. I know who said that be opinion no.
Already Thomas Tuchel
I am my
Chelsea team na and remember Freddie boy then or the other come then Tuchel
all of a sudden Cesar Spilicueta mission against Chelsea Real Madrid they were bread. I was a Mijitum.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll struggle, we'll suffer because Michel Spilicueta Thiago Silva even Kedzuma Bermuno now Michel Rudiger now Michel N'Golo Kante ni Jorginho you be bread papa especially weekend the Mranteni bebre COVID-19 injury say Real Madrid camp no but I'm sure so share the Tuchel in this short space. Madrid the finals of the FA Cup. Most likely they'll play in the top 4. All factors considered, they may play in the final of the Champions League because Real Madrid situation are critical. Now, you're constant in his approach. They be a 3-back. Jose Mourinho about 4-4-2, about 3-5-2, about formation be any Jose Mourinho ne space for him more. Look at a player like N'Golo Kante and how all of a sudden a player like Cesar Spilicueta improve. Me just Spurs team now. Me who player back who cry Jose Baye. Ebeka say akula Jose Baye we who bobo. Dele problem. Eric Lamela, Harry Kane, Heung-min Son, Lucas Moura, Steve Bergwijn, Ndombele. 1 form 2 weeks be no sanko off. Ni defense no crowd there and weekend you send a Kepa. Ebe replace Edward Mendy. Last minute save a Kepa making I think it was Ruben Diaz had the beer with save. Look at this Chelsea side and how they are performing. Now and I'm sure sir Daniel Levy crack say you cross Jose Casa or your counter attacking coach. Obesa Liverpool ne Real Madrid second leg wa Anfield. No asage weekend the medical can say City ni Chelsea no. He said na Chelsea defending. No, and na so Real Madrid ne hetefia. So send na Real Madrid they defending. And yet just say defending said 90 minutes near Ginachi or sao. Uso keep pressure no quick on the counter. He said Chelsea go ni buy Hakim Ziyech go ni buy. It was from Jorginho to Mason Mount. And look at how Mason Mount has improved. Yes, under Lampard he was great, but he looks like the Messi of Chelsea now. From Jorginho to Mason Mount, aka Chelsea's Messi. Now to Timo Werner. 3-4 touches, he's in the box, lays off a pass to Hakim Ziyech, and it's a goal. But Spurs for defending, no. Or many chance crash on Beko counter, no more the ball and I'm a big fan of Jose, especially sending out to me revive Real Madrid. Real Madrid, yeah, we need Champions League in 9 so yeah, Barcelona competing and all of that. But look, Spurs, from the games I was witnessing, I think it will certainly have gotten to and of course it's gotten to that stage where Daniel Levy, Spurs football, almost were from Wada. Or better than near Sanchez Spurs. And I think Spurs have lost 20 points from winning position. So that's great attribute of Jose Mourinho being the master of the psychology of the game, or Sai Lusu, or Jina Bench or now. Unse tactics no, opinion no, saying Phoebe. Now, Demisusu ni say baby Adri there, 58 on national team. Nan hontono na pressure be brewa growing.
Well, this the last Saturday I think we had this conversation. Dr. Goviasa for JD inside Kakaba said, I think about time Mourinho they miss or say they have Mourinho buy or Real Madrid no. Once na dream and then the style of dealing with players no. Because if you are Ugoji Porto and your achievers, they will listen to you into the other can be a gospel. Oba Chelsea, that time Chelsea to 50 years almost in the league that. Yeah. Oba into the UBB, but call Real Madrid no. Real Madrid the team Champions League no man edge.
World Cup winners.
Almost have World Cup winners in their squad. Now Kona so teach them the same way you treated the Porto players. And on my example of Davia or the players no Korea, Sergio Ramos mo kono mo World Cup medal. Omo go train omo to omo kom coach train so omo World Cup medal only the metro. Oh, the same style looks like Mourinho style now versus also yeah. the boss, as instead of being more like the coach and a father figure. Owe Tuchel, Tuchel. It looks like I said, and Chelsea, Papa, I said Chelsea, pa, no one said I need your cry.
Answer about Chelsea.
I go Jesus.
Mourinho got to a point. I know players who were willing to die for him. At Inter Milan, Utie Matarazzi no conversation. They will die for Mourinho. And anyhow,
some players, no, that time, no, some players was answer for them, no, I'm achieving.
Yeah.
No, what I say. Because no Inter Champions League in a long while, no more to be so much GBB. Fine, you can say same for Tottenham Hotspur.
Yes.
Bounce players behind no more culture. You find a way of dealing with sad teams. No, Okase manager or coaching players. No people say Mourinho and then usual of Mourinho's team to score and you overturn it to beat them. It's the same coach but different players. Okase as the players in Hadiana.
Now, Adebayo Mourinho, intimi, he has not been able to overcome it, and or rely so much on his past glory. And now Okamuru Nasema no are for what he has done in the past. Senke na past glory in Kwanso and Tottenham Hotspur will not start Pochettino. No, because just before he came, now Pochettino at the Tottenham Hotspur about Champions League final. In fact, Pochettino Tottenham Hotspur no di 5 years. For 5 years. I finished second, I finished second back. I finished third on 2 occasions, and I finished fourth back. So that Champions League slot for Tottenham Hotspur, a very constant for a team every year beyond on Team League. Tottenham Hotspur were a constant feature in the Champions League. Now, although we do Champions League the following season, Nemanko Yeno, yes, I keep Pochettino, no, Tottenham Hotspur were lying 14th on the league table. One consider what he has done for them in the past. They sack him. Now they bring you the manager expecting that you'll be able to reverse the trend. I'm a never cost one Pochettino intimi arrest no. Come and make it better. Say no be can. We don't see improvement in Tottenham Hotspur. Chairman, the last 5 games at Tottenham Hotspur Sabono. Surprisingly, they've picked only 2 points. You were brought to reverse a trend. Now I can say Tottenham Hotspur. It is wasn't, and I can say Tottenham Hotspur lies 7th on the Premier League. I am more likely say Timwa no I acquire constant feature in the Champions League. Probably we don't see them in the Champions League next season. Tottenham Hotspur ebo Europa Cup. Around match any Tottenham Hotspur free. For a team about Champions League, it me call anymore. And then I'm drop it Europa League. And they can't get to the quarterfinals of the Europa League. They don't see much improvement. Mourinho who say Senka rely only on past glories in Kwandia. And several managers will have kept their job. Ebian Castles Ensake as Wenger. Because he has done so much for you. So he must live beyond the past glory. And who say managers are assessed based on what you are doing at present and not what you have done in the past.
I don't back you. I said the sacking of Jose is a sign of an ambitious club. That is Tottenham. They know where they belong and the heights they want to reach. Arsenal and Arteta is sinking BKB. I agree. I mean, no, but it's true. I've told you, Arsenal, we have the most useless board in football.
Well, I think there's a mentality problem as well because they don't have Fulham for share first going. Man, who the Arsenal for person more?
It was a wrong time for Arteta to take the job anyway. Time was man, it was a wrong time. In regards to Mourinho, Tottenham SAK Pochettino based on business. Anna, you share Mourinho backgrounder. He's not an improver of players. We improve players. We know that. Say Mourinho to me, my club, may improve players. On your bar, all the best and bring it to him. And we knew, say, Daniel Levy is not someone on also bedini sika. Say we be mad to play be adiama. The other idea was away there. Okay. It was Mourinho by to bring presence to the club. And at that time, no, Harry Kane had nearly gone. And there was a meeting that happened that now what happened was fly Harry Kane mama ne papa ne brano an agent and flying to Paris.
Okay.
Ramajit Koscielny.
Okay.
Buy was United so make arrangements to meet him our United office our Central London.
Okay. And
the deal was meant to be 200 million. They were meant to make him the most paid player in the world and the most valuable player in the world. Tottenham for an agent Marlon Fletchman approach Tottenham to say listen, there's a deal on the table for us to do Anna Then you leave in the bufu, yes, sir. And your own master and see. It's in the obey and say, I was so bringing in another manager. Beating me about players, maybe believe you say, beating me
or clout.
Yes. Into Obaya and the news, okay, Mourinho Obaya, your coach Champions League final the year before, and then hopefully he beat BB. And Harry Kane, being an England captain, has to win something. Into modern buy, not bay over the news, say Mourinho will not last for more than 2 years, or Tottenham. But hopefully, for the first 2 years, no beating BB, and Amanasa, and into no media permanent. Because they know, say, so mama sani made to us will be creating some clouds be a club in mama a time crab ba or buy am the any problem. All of a sudden I'm a player when you say I'm a player when you say but Tottenham knew nipa no the neighbor into the say nana as a man is in a Mourinho I say when you good no you say but the news so man for now am based on coming to improve players but when the buy say or the presence be back club now some of their top players now on person free club num kono on better
wow well, I tell you, Coach Freddie of Peak Perform Coaching. Na my insights. Na kakana Friday, Coach Freddie. I was surprised with the brayo. I know she brutal. One top notch football agent. Only back Coach Freddie na unity definitely. You know student.
Ghana new.
Ghana for no. Omo yard you because already Tony no money. It looks like omo yard. Now me be say Chelsea. You read Chelsea dey answer your back local no. Chelsea no. Then akwana be because you coach it why which is on you coaching the across our song.
The boys na Arsenal boys na mo ankasa no. Apart from Gabriel Martinelli.
Arsenal boys no more on yard no. One more. About for people Charles Liqueta we nim boba ko kra say obeka say what best could mean you know as Liqueta na hu boy enti coach timi e bibi on atam ni say coach timi e bibi Arsenal dey dum so o say wa and no say pa bet say the bet say the boys na Arsenal full up because when they Tuchel they
with Tuchel there I think say one of the main things for him in the communication was before so take club no on some of the senior players in Silva ne Antonio Rudiger to find out say okay nipa saying and as a DNA koso club no munti am ye pamo coach o no into DNA me buy what's me ana already intensity so in training sessions you know so communication intensity and on the players response has been very good.
Okay.
But so the younger players, most of them no, or no man can say before so about only older players because the big no problem or club yana if free older players no be creative be around it so they be owners na na be or more a control club and because okay players no happy there ya ma unko. And the moment any of the players will have a bad game no first next day in training be more up an office straight away. No, I can just say, okay, the HM be a man in Chamunko, not be a you move on. And I'm saying this based on what Reece James me. Now, over intensity in training sessions are clear and simple sessions on over complicated BRCBR. And I was seeing. One man is so clear, says simple pattern of play, 2 simple patterns of play. You're making sure say your back foot, your best set to try and soak in the pressure and then play from there. And you know, unzo buy on sign player be answer. But before so take club, know him each and every player very well before so over. Okay. And you know, buying we're designing a pattern and that's we're designing information based on the players or rather than say bia or be ban or because imperi but or more bia a better platform and also more be a clean platform to make sure say over Baba media before the next season no sign will be a banner over me the also beat me and sana.
Okay. To a challenge boys need to give out their best.
Oh yeah.
And it seems to be working. Yeah. It seems to work. Go Chelsea
yes, anyway, now the players don't respond there. And for some reason, players don't respond to the ABA because of the respect amongst one man.
What about Liverpool? Liverpool, what is wrong?
Liverpool pattern of play most of the time it starts with the 2 centre backs. Anna Van Dijk prior Henderson Henderson has similar qualities to what Van Dijk has. The passing range, you know, the organisation, how a players are respecting the BB and so alright. Van Dijk prior yeah, start any problems. So Liverpool start any problems. So until say Henderson so prior, and you who say afraid Diana Van Dijk de Maya Henderson so de Maya no say ni ho biem enti the Fabinho crack ball and say for two centre backs in as well but two centre backs no more quality of play no so more quality of passing no enye better and I say enye as good as Van Dijk and Henderson. It's another where the problem has become. Because Oba has a free formation now. Most of the time, on the front three, no, or close to each other. It is almost close to each other. Most of the time, what you need is you need a good pass on the ball to try and find these three and then to turn up into a goal. But say, your two centre backs here, when have you actually seen say I want to make an assist? Should have been problems.
Strikers listen to me, Sunny. I mean,
now you're too far off the goal. You're too far off the opponent's goal because when the system is not trusted, that it affects everyone. And to midfielders also be deep. The front three is be deep to try and win the ball. I'm not winning the ball by the time we could mid anymore. Not break. It also affects here as well.
Okay, as ever, high appeal on 95.7. What's your big tries to go to Christian and Car Coach Freddie? And so, I say, good Freddie, will you keep peak perform coaching? Coaching some of the Premier League players, Championship, League One players there. Okochi, make a kind of admirable teams this year.
Colchester.
Admirable team. Okay. Yamra, Oba, what's in your league? No, fine.
No, criminal minya hun shape.
Okay.
Debbie, minya hun shape because me be yena 17.
Yena 7. I say, I'm so there. One say, brepa your league, no.
I'm at TV say refereeing.
Refereeing, this once and some day.
Yeah.
And yasem ketwa. Na, Obi, yenya ba ko control Facebook say, asem time become Chelsea. Because the biano, asem ba na se become Chelsea. Asem. And I become Chelsea. Well, become Chelsea. How many drafts the boy?
Yeah.
Now game no. Eba no we no. Now Chelsea has drafts come in moment timbako. If I drafts the chef first go. Now reports are yenya no. And say drafts coach Ernest Thompson yabono. Coach nangasa. I don't know.
Ghana Premier League.
Ya bu coach. As I'm say a drosha in some. Junior Dunbra. Yentia coach, no can ask him. 18.
25 Janayan dressing room gate now. Now say hey coach now no but the action on the action and what's the problem? Almost a drosha mo so be search me. I'm say about right no more say mo be search me. Any say mobile searching obi for mo say be mo ya police here or anything me say my mo searching because me wallet na me phones na the coins me na share pocket so why this search the many o mo ya na say me say my mo search me na what to share me do obi cream me na me ball from na ba kwa butu me fi ba kwa share me fi blow na me me say fi me pocket na me di me say atudo no say me say ma mo fa wo me ta kemo and to yi wallet no na me phones no na me shades I me na me chow everything
Pure FM.
Finally me as goalkeeper trainer I ban ohu nipa oyi phones no na oji phones no Eddie Brem and Miss Medicals no na offending chow na mission but ana man realize me wallet na SM pocket moving some for now one way. Man actually didn't okay because I was in pain. Some 19 minutes with me call. They say remember what the ice pack got to do now. All my side doing now. Oh yeah, kakana pain. So I was thinking say the rest of you kakana. But when I'm time to say half. When I was so me move at the call. Match commissioner Lincoln what the table no say. Orisha Brewer, Woma Brewmate when we were entering the dressing room after half time. And my commissioner say cats and abuses I want who I can say wa broom and washing. Then say now obi a wa put Mincy every flow say Mincy I am young Mincy ahun we would wa balance Mincy who be say cats and abuses for him and sana what trouble be on later. The uncashing so second half no chance I couldn't stand by the sidelines to coach. Now, as I'm going to make it come, tell me assistant coach no take over. And the threats are walk out resolution at the dressing room, cause him to come and change his way of officiating.
when you want to president president of the country and yet they focus on the second one only in the because October 2 for no pattern to come now would you
what's on Nube Pata and Topa? It's a big lie. 10 people should be weeded out of Ghana football if he really said that. If he said that, he doesn't have a place in football in Ghana. If he said that, he doesn't have a place in football in Ghana. He should be kicked out if that is what he said. Because, I don't even know who that person is. And I was attacked by a mob of about 25 to 30 people, but can identify them if I see them now. So we should not add insults to it because.
Okay, Jake and coach and Thompson Quality. I think when I'm not say Nana Kwame say you have Obia Vanessa and Canono. Or see, hey, Nana Kwame get here. Nana, never be able to go there.
Yamina don't be able to go there.
Nana, me tell you, catch it. Me say, Nyoma de Nana Kwame.
Yes, sir. Iguso.
Kaka. Nana, story about, in fact, you won the game. Moving it 2-1. But they say the story about say Dwarf's coach or say Emra Oko dressing room rent table say a draw shadow almost searching or resist no almost shino correct pa. I'm a second half crowd when Timmy and Koya Jumano no so pebe bitina then assistant coach Eddie Jumano. Nana Denisi.
That's it. I'm just on a quad dressing room and I'm say no money a struggle. We can make one of the boys in a free home. A case you still be the answer. I cannot. I'm a pregnant cotton. You say no money a struggle. Mukutanensa. The may Pama Mokonogazu ye. I'm then Uncle for ye. To make one of my son say, even glass boys no way so move free dressing room on Abanese. Look at your incident, young Quanquisino, Yaka so begin attack. After the game, second half of the question, who say, or ban what Benedict and Sa. I mean, who ye? A buyer, Ocasi when you know, Binta, and also no, Namming, Mummy and Tail, Ujina Bench. I shall say no in a bench. Na assistant coach in now. Tama ya take and the Gina bench na coping say we came man and sana our Benjamin left and right in an old the edge of bench. Because when you bench, I don't know what I can.
Nensano second half in Sarway or bandage.
Tama all office dressing room where banner. Or more park, about the bench, and I'm also a Benedict and son.
Also, I'm a bono and a man in Badiji.
Because who so be torn if you are so in a struggle. I met Pama who say, dear, no more, no. Almost a dress and we are ye. I'm saying, I'm so pleasant. I'm a film of some dressing, uncle dressing. I'm a one dressing, you say, about the kind of them who say, what Benedict and son or me. Na assistant coach me ipa ba ko kana ma no mo ba e ba betra the bench na e ball ni na incident ni na wie ball ni na ko so e wie ansa na ti ja ni hu sa video na o ye na o se o ma bono o ma ye ni se ansa na o ko akotena hwi mu o Sunya hospital because me ansa na frame me say o se boys na struggle sa adrusia no I'm so good. The amount who's here born. The army may do one obedient back and I read the idea. The 17 come out of that. Say a born on a year and Cassette, and say, you put it here.
Okay, that is one Casawa. Now, coach, let's say, Yabono. Minimum plans be to call the coach and answer minimum.
My friend, more official, and see. And if I know Omudu hospital or Okazo hospital, and I mean, so to see, I will check picture. No, you can transfer me, and I'm a castle. What's the coaching and anything? And my your son is a friend in this young country. My son's friend, no, someone more philosophy or monansa and a farmer friend or so you
okay.
Yes, and you know, would you make a saying who say I'm Bona Nasa? Be I don't think so on the Bona. Because that is supporters, you know. So the true name yard be able to say he is a Bonanka coach, a bonus and a cast a bonus there. From for an county manage in a bench will be moved.
Supporters no government right we are don't go coach.
Me say so mo bona utie.
Me too.
So mo bona and as supporters mo ka be 30. Oh no, time enum yes na ni pass 30 at my wuram. Ipa me pa mo mo ndru for. And na mo ye omo na taking charge of the stadium kura. Ngini hu ni ntia ye ka se yakọ pramema ni bia no kokọ matches a nema uhu ni nema esisi no so da bia ka se sa nema uhinyina no ye ka ho asem dia da bia nga be kan zempa o paso ni so but no so mo na sa ga ma pa mo so bi hwe na bia se ya bo na se konfo nkonti ma me gina benjin ko ti ka kati wa nkuti a no boa ombo mo konko efi mi anga mi video no kwa mi bi so amehwe bi sa o ma me ya san do mo wa nkene
okay
konko ti fen coach
all right nana
abra no mo lady one no ana na assistant coach na ho eye 1-1 no obigina o coach so na video no se wanya ho kra wan coach kra you know na coaching so dia utimma wa assistant coach ko jaho utimma head coach ko jaho
well
le go say obi anko na eso na ho
okay nana ya da sipi ya no pay okay well that is the side of Nana Kwame Brekum Chelsea team president na chairman on yatin in Kanunji. Well, I know they'll say, well, who's obi buobi, but quite any before any coach ne preso and go pamo go patai. Nasama or no, I can also nominate preso and opatai. It is sama a course according to Nana Kwame, and so I don't know. Well, matches across the weekend, he's saying it here. Accra Olympics Nekotoko. Ebo goalless draw on Friday, Saturday. Elmina Sharks share wafa kaba comment to me and taking Faisal. And he has good Zubo goalless. It's out of 3 games number on Friday and Saturday, only 1 goal. And on Sunday, I Rano. Bechem United Eshe Diana Stars can 9-4-0. And I'm sure more. Brogum Chelsea in fact, there is this picture I'm showing on social media about a coach in bandaged na coach is almost born coach in the no which coach and also machine. I could say well coach in San no of the coach Juju it's John Beji so much trying to search coach also resist all on premium to bottom and we in our course Friday we also who you say ana
when about security honey am understand ma minimum to be honest ntia na me pese me can be bebree but say ka we dey police case o see abon see mo no say think police to me taking over na omo hwe baby e say assembly kodru na say be security is being so as a club no to provide you know the other staff no mo so bana minim said you see almost here no kromo no it's not the first time
but hey
yeah
so nim said you see Nkrumah Ghana Nkrumah baby abone yenchi stadium and a political party rally and a program ase Ghana obo bi aso mo stadium any offense police ni gwetin pataho because we munya de mo ye no ba obo bi aso mo street rechew
ozo bi ashimasu o park da
obi abo aso dakalolomi
me na me kasa no na okay you call park but on a more serious note na me mom na me heart for House of Folk and na me person House of Folk winning match in that day intimate to like baby na me tino na as a like kotoko fomu na me te papa pani mu na near fipa nti as obi twa obi na me catch na me so na me nti adena referee nu ntimi nyi red card in fan kire no na so oni red card kura na se kotoko ni na tade no ye kokko obetumi akopage ade akire no ankata no yi na fi simple na papa no hwemi di wankasa na bo bi wura 18 nim ana kotoko ni twa ha se na mtiam paneti mitia se papa no masum sew kona kwaje
I don't know Jagalolobi. So I don't know.
Only there a very about that or moment to old man there be your shabo sa. Uvizo ni akuma de shabo tenefi na yobo. Isi anasumi ya boy say o kaso obobia enya papa. Enti thought that akuma ya de shabo no so no ye man nye say football no say edu ba bia ekoma wa praise God and kwa mawa praise God say ebia ekoba say ekoma o debia no pese nkoma nko ade a wankasa no ko park wa wonye fe.
Yeah, definitely
it comes with certain scapegoats so send pa no yes here ye che no you need to know bia on say not to be a 5 years 10 years obi show so be say
yes,
that's where you start and san bia any jena ba statistics be educate people on how to support teams in this animal
can come try na say you krum ha no say ba politician na udibem e ba park o corner obi do asum dewa obefa no di free because obi ante
yanchero ena there be a about the system this setting no but no ya you say fanzenka ya bu coach they say amount for video anyone when because there was a cameraman every cameraman there now send the poem say and it's not like you need more sentence no sente bia yo conform omu dinse mu no ye ni momo clubs ni use omu kabana police what check mienu ena na say dem go jina court ena I say grabbing polo di yes okay you got them 3 months oh you sure say omo ehono next time o you bet yes banzo go bo referee
FA presidency on your IGP
sa comment ne wa anya de say obi busa ansa de yanchi hooligans say I'm not the
IGP so you know nyoma bi say no emma nyoma bi say emma enyo hooliganism say koso. Two things are involved. The consistency of the negative news as far as Ghana Premier League is concerned no eya doso now twi bia be bobo awie bia na yabu obi one shot next season yen sponsors o obi enu odi ni sika be share our product we
enu nim sadly yabu obi no eye behind closed doors ni yabu obi o it's not like fans are in the stadium.
It's a serious issue the Ghana Football Association will have to deal with almost ye bibi sronko omo be arrest this situation we dey toss me referees coaches players management committee members board members of various football clubs they regard you as VIPs maintain na bakwase mu krada say yakobo match yabu coach baby say ntoko besi na supporters to supporter fan to fan now we are boy no krada ba referees crowd bro no krada no so no maybe per year the cost wa ha no so no e normal but say moving from fans to coaches there then the game is seriously retrogressing yabu coaches yamu referees bi omo coaches ni yabu omo the Ghana Football Association has to act and what such situation when a twaso na week be record this sad negatives way there e bedru baby no football administrators na e bebo omo and Chairman Makaji your venues bi wa emra na enya adwuma and e wo da obi aso nim e wo Ghana ha otiye na bebo Accra na otiye na obo kumbabaya security is assured and you might be brewa nkoso unless there na broso but your venues bi so wa unya wura wa for example Brekum to Cape Coast ube didi mwa drew chrome no na wankasa wa bread. So if now the beating and moving from ordinary fans to coaches there now you drew the signs on the wall are not too good. I was said neya no pay disciplinary committee of the FA. I was said decision neya prompt and strong. But of course, FA president minim so free tamale aba. Whichever way, or see on your IGP and Kaiser Ora Nketia chairman of Brekum Okase Nana Kwame Okase enyomo bi wo ho betumi amene
de omo ntimi mene
ebia na esi no
Well, I know you're the course of Brekum. Dreams FC so ne Karela game and then I was winning of Bomber Boy Riano Paya. I'm a Dreams winning by 1-0. Inti and only the 11 wonders. Obi, what is happening? Coach Ignatius.
Liberty were very good form. Unse Ghana Premier League no and na ma bebre na ye raise FA4 no na mo aso ne o referee ya bani team bia no Liberty ba be hia team ne beba oboase. Check your records no. The bia be bani team bia na team no the next game here against Liberty no. Ya the match ne show oboase. Minim de Liberty fo nya oboase yo. But omo ne hia oboase on kon aso de on be hia. There's two just I say and the hand dealings away of football ni mu dosu do enya ball ni ebo yeah more ball memha no be is the rates of a problem.
Medium and Sonny Lagos Cities Medium are winning by 2-1, but the sad news Abranta a friend of Justice Blay ni injury no and you were how injury by, but me worry kakra say the referee waited to see the extent of the injury before deciding to show the player a red card. Referee did carry a yellow card. Ball in ye. Justice Blay it take you off. Now a tackle from behind, which is a straight red. The referee no on man yellow card. And now for who's a branch no or that you didn't kono. And also after we check yellow nim. Why no red?
Now then who VAR or no but so your referees wait there. No cra your training or mu training no I don't know whether it's from the training and or mu ankasa no na o ma sheda yo o ma dwen se o mu modemo no o mu pese yes ya. I feel sad for Ghana football because week in week out there's nothing positive to talk about. There's nothing positive. It's na Eco Africa ni asan ba fie no because teams no performance na nye genuine. Enye genuine. Referees are taking 2,000 Ghana cedis, assistants 1,000, match commissioner 1,000. Tape buy amount 14 neno.
Match commissioner negotiating for referees,
but nothing.
You say you say you free referees list no match commissioners list. You say the match be problem. No Hearts of Ogun so any interlies Hearts of Ogun won by 1-0. Sad game no you remember highlights of the game. How Hearts of Ogun won that game. Christian Bremer and I mean call Freddy
Obi touch on beatings now. Is it the every CFO?
So I'm saying every referee. So is it go now coach supporters to be coach Jose a draw Ibra.
Nanya draw.
I don't say me must be phone name is Ghana also no.
Chairman a free CFO match officials. He went to say Omokobo Mankasa goalkeeper with the suspect say waji bribe.
Also go nation the
Yebo officials. I keep repeating this. So you the same thing over and over again. Don't expect a different results. Since that you start to see a man for Ghana say no. The same punishment and the results you need to sign. Why don't we change the punishment? Because the punishment and the effect na perfect punishment we are not getting it. Yabu referee near banning venue. Nipa na bu referee no afa ne ho adi. Enei we are sure say thanka we have gone straight to the individuals no mo boost these referees na enka obi nso say next time ko bu referee. But coach Freddy abedi game me makwa ko bu no. Me wie ya anya me hwe ya ban venue no. The next time Mr. Coach Freddy was different venue. Mr. Kwa ko no. Because me enchime ya anya me hwe. Until we begin to go after these individuals, they are criminals. I didn't tell football nko park so no bitimbo bi fa ne hodi. Park nso nko o. Se de enyaje ho, se de bra kwa na age ho, na ka se park so nko ade a obo obi a in the confines of that park no afa ho odi. Ghana Football Association FA president onya IGP there, but it is your product. And you product in the league no. Samanfo egu ho fi a it affects the integrity of your own product. Go after some individuals now. Almost say your product no. Go after them. Na venue na ban venue na nipa na ema venue near venue. So one ban nipa no one friend say say nipa no am punish the individuals na omo yes abone na it will never end. It won't chada. Nyame no kure ni ka ene betena sie nka ye was so much time ye can dey come out to no asem how our teams ni win here but sad negativities no a crowd league na nkasa na betima ka ho asem awreho ye papa na it seems say si answer the prescribed punishment in the effect now you're expecting, we are not going to get it. My chairman, I do not start me sure say am for Nkasanchiro mu. Because every 30 season win, all of us were expecting the teams be able to imagine league no. Ubo dey na mediama to a certain extent na that Sanjiko to account. But o check Ghana Premier League table so this year. Upe teams are conceding a lot of goals in Ghana's Premier League. We confess a few more. Confess are conceding 30 goals. Team wa tosu mienu a wa conceding more goals. Ghana Stars 28.
Team so no one team in himself. I mean traditionally almost very good defense.
Ghana Stars Ebeji League no not the one goal project. We show back on team inti. But we have gotten to a stage say and they omo conceding goals more than any other club apart from Kinfesa. Na check it games on my ball. Men kai man for say enche bia the Dreams FC show mo by 4 goals to 2. Enche bia na as good show mo 4-0. And now master kwaji 4. League no on 3 different occasions they have considered 4 goals on the 3 different occasions. For a team of the Kaka defensive organization